Hello, welcome to embedded.com. Today's video I'm going to talk about string in C. I will be discussing string copy, string compare, and sprintf, where you can format the output to string pointed to the variable. So what is string in C? It is a collection of characters, or in other words, it's a single dimensional array followed with the terminated character. So let's get started. So first, let's declare a variable called str with a data type char. I'm going to assign a string called word. So now I'm going to assign 6 character here. Why 6 character? I will show you. The 6 character must be the terminated character. So don't get confused. Always increment 1. So what I did here, so since I'm going to assign string called word, which is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I added 1 so that it will become 6, and the 6th character must be the terminated character. We all know that if you start finding the character, you have to start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what happened to the 6? If you think 6 is irrelevant here, make it 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the terminated character. Okay. So let's run this one. So it's saying too many initializer. Let's remove the terminated character. So it's now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But there is no terminated character. So what happened if you're going to print this one? And run. Now the output would be look like this one, because there's no terminated character. Now let's try to resolve this issue. So since 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's try to assign terminated character in the 5th element. Now let's run and check the output. So it's fine. Let's finish it. Now you will get stuck around the variable str was corrupted. When you declare variable, always add 1 for the terminated character. So since word has 5 characters, always add 1. Then 6. And then you don't have to use this one anymore. If you run that, then there will be no problem. And there's another way to declare it. Word. Do you think this declaration is still fine? But here it terminated character is not mentioned. So let's check the output. Still fine. How about this one? It's gonna be the output. Still okay. Let's talk about strcpy. So what if, for example, we're going to assign a string which is more than the size of the variable. So let's run this application. So what's gonna be the output? You will get hello world, but once the program exits, you will get str was corrupted. So how are we going to solve this one? There's another function where you can specify number of characters that you want to copy. So they call it strncpy. And then the third parameter is the number of characters. Should be 5. I declare str6 here, but not necessarily mean I have to specify 6 characters, because we need only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 characters. We remember the 6th character must be the terminated character. Okay, let's run. Then you will get hello. Define size 6. This one should always -1. So next, string compare. String compare is very simple. All you need to do is strcomp. First parameter, second parameter. This will return positive number, 0, or negative number. If you're going to compare A, it returns 0. Now, what if A and B? This will return negative value. Now, if I'm going to change it to C, this will return positive value. Now, if I'm going to compare str to hello, what would be the value? It's 0. Why is it 0? Because the value of str is hello, because we specify only number of characters to be copied to the first parameter. What if I'm going to compare str with this one? So what would be the value? It's negative. Now, if you want to compare only the first 5 characters, then we need different function. They call it strncomp. And then the third parameter would be the number of characters. So this will return 7. Now let's use sprintf. Sprintf sends formatted output to string pointed to by str. So let's say str and then hello. So let's run. So what if, for example, I will assign hello world to a variable str? What is going to happen? So let's run the program. Hello world. And then once the program exits, you will get str was corrupted. So how are we going to solve this one? All you need to do is we can specify number of characters. Use dot asterisk and then number of characters. If you're going to run, so there will be no memory leak.